Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? All hope you guys are fine and doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to discover and share you artful exploring tattoo expression for man and woman. Tattoos have become a prevalent form of self-expression with individuals from all walks of life embracing this art form. Whether it is a bold statement or a subtle essence, tattoos have the power to convey personality, beliefs, and experiences. The intricate details of a tattoo design can captivate the eye, drawing admiration for its complexity. Bold tattoos make a powerful statement reflecting confidence and strength. Delicate tattoos exude elegance and subtly adding a touch of femininity or grace. Tribal tattoos honor culture, heritages, and traditions, symbolizing unity and belonging. Schematic tattoos showcase precision and symmetry, often representing harmony and balance. Vibrant tattoos burst with color, evoking energy and vitality. Minimalistic tattoos embrace simplicity, carrying profound meaning with understated elegance. Whimsical tattoos spark imaginations and playfulness, adding a sense of joy to the various persona. Mystical tattoos carry an aura of mystery, stepping into a spiritual or supernatural themes. Avant-garde tattoos push artistic boundaries, challenging combinations of beauty and expressions. Realistic tattoos mimic the prints of photographs, showcasing the artist's skills and attention to detail. Edgy tattoos shows a rebellious spirit embodying non-conformity and individuality. Romantic tattoos celebrate love and passions, serving as enduring symbols of affections. Vintage tattoos draw inspirations from the past, reflecting nostalgia and timeless charm. Serial tattoos defy logic and reality, transporting the viewer to otherworldly realms of imagination. Abstract tattoos embrace ambiguities and interpretations, inviting viewers to find their own meaning with their designs. Gothic tattoos embody darkness and mystery, reflecting our fascinations with the macabre and occult. Electric tattoos blend diverse elements and styles, creating visually dynamic compositions. Feminine tattoos embrace softness and grace, celebrating femininity in all its forms. Masculine tattoos exude strength and masculinity, often featuring bold imagery and symbolism. Timeless tattoos withstand the test of time, retaining their beauty and significance for years to come. Empowering tattoos inspire confidence and self assurance, serving as reminders of inner strength and resilience. Nature inspired tattoos pay homage to the beauty and majesty of the natural world, fostering a connection to the earth. Mythical tattoos evoke legends and folklore, igniting the imagination with tales of heroes and monsters. Epithet tattoos embrace impressions showing as fleeting reminders of fleeting moments and emotions. Celestial tattoos explore the wonders of the cosmos, symbolizing the vastness and mystery of the universe. Symbolic tattoos carry deep personal meaning, representing significant life experience, beliefs, or aspirations. Culture tattoos honors heritage and identity, preserving culture, traditions, and values for future generations. Transformative tattoos mark significant life changes or milestones symbolizing personal growth and evaluation. Playful tattoos inspire laughter and joy, infusing whimsy and humor into everyday life. Mysterious tattoos conceal as much as the real, inviting us to guilt and curiosity. Regal tattoos, cute nobility, and gadgets evoking images of royalty and splendor. So I hope you like guys the video. Please subscribe the channel, like and give comments, and don't to forget press bell icon for further updates. Bye.